Masimba Ward, there's a challenge because there is a disconnect between my MCA and the governor. Oh no, and you understand when there is a disconnect between MCA and the governor, egasinengong.
Lakini abananchi mbabwato bosibore bokonyora.
Abananchi mbabwato bosibore birero byabo mbiguri goikera governor. It was even my feeling one time munga yona atagete koimoki one of these in fact this day I called Getembe TV. I wanted to invite to my area so that itoteme kora survey around, more especially on the health sector, more na abantu baito baumiete. It is an hospital. Okay, nabona kwanere reto kenga na very misquoted, but yonyo renga it's something that has been happening. Asoko genda kwari ke Panado chiko gora isiko. Panado. Something you went kwe in the hospital. It is where asetagataga eri enchafu ebe kirange na nyagitari. Some things yo kurigereriga na maiso byago challenge byago tebinga given even an opportunity no nyane kegeke. Yes, I might not do miracles, but yekege sinini I can do this. It is places whereby chibesa chia beta allocated. Na one where I come from. This thing I said it when I was in Etaya TV and I will say it here. Paranere na bona ya aseito. Tari yaro yo kangorera, but it is a representative of other roads. Ya it almost 4.5 million. Era osiu. Ego ruchi pare.
Lakini binkorangana ne birangarira byao. Birangarira byao.
Ya kordeke.
Korangana ne birangarira byao kwandira chibese chichipa.
Echi abege tumbere de wa gazetted. Yeah. Te para erod e pare ya bete gazetted and the amount given. Yeah, it's on the gazette.
Yeah.
So tokanyefuatilia egansa korosu. But are you aware nga nige pare ya roseti go around 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers gochime. Akini akaro gitekere mete almost 100 kilometers. So you understand ekaro gitakera kera igore para 100 kilometers aseri sabu. Arafu manye kwenye beko mochanga 4 kilometers bari wati yago chimoino the kind of situation wakora gendo kwabatiga bona iga umubera abantu abago kuba ikiwari the 4 kilometers babe ku mugongo bako mpaka mwino. So those are things ngorigereri natwara amaririanda nate abanga abantu baitondo bwato bokongu. We need to change our leadership.
Ngwakonde ngotoko mochi umu governor guseno mu MCA kubatekana no bakorera rwenya gitari.
Nchebuna na kwane ngeringa I could have nabongo macho mu MCA one because MCA akorere governor. The governor is the father of the county. When it comes now to the development each wards, and na kongu sana na you have to understand also your governor. Eko gera bantu babuye kaini. We can understand the kind of governor tobugate. Tari monto orata ke o expect ya akore miracle yogo chache kuri erimbo konkyo bugate. Na tenna rigari kyamo kama gawori abantu kyamo kamanga. Masimba Ward. Morocho okay igong chegara kwenda na jipasa ile gatoka mu MCA na tare ngororo. Iga boitu tu an honest questioninga. Onye mu MCA gotayo gaiga ogoko represent okonga your views okonga your what you need nga kingo karamanye mejano kimoko tento mobwate igo mojano bwenya gitari umuntu gwenda konywera rigavana na MCA. So for that one I blame my MCA because there is a great very big disconnect ya berege Quran for 3 years now almost 4 years between yere ne governor ya gere tutaranyora magendere.